Today, we will be talking about the mangrove forest ecosystem. So, mangrove forests can be found in Southeast Asia, South Florida, many places in the tropics, and even New Zealand. They consist, of course, of mangroves that are scrub trees that have adapted to live in brackish and salt water right along the coastline. In the water, you'll find things like barnacles, sponges, worms, lots and lots of invertebrates, as well as many fish. And being as they live right on the water, they have prop roots that extend deep into the water and into the sediment below, and that creates a nursery for various fish and invertebrates. And these prop roots are very essential towards apex predators such as sharks and crocodiles, where they put their young in there to be raised in a relatively safe environment. This, of course, connects to the canopy. And in the canopy, you'll find many things such as shorebirds, such as egrets, ibises, cormorants. All of these are depending on the fish that live below, as well as the invertebrates. You may also find snakes, lizards, and underwater and in the intertidal zone, barnacles, oysters, mussels, worms, sponges, anything you can really think of that usually live in the intertidal zone of other ecosystems. With that said, there's also a lot of endemic species to these areas. In addition to that, you may also find manatees, crocodiles, and even tigers in the Southeast Asian mangrove forests that depend on these places as either grazing grounds or even hunting grounds. For the tigers specifically, they hunt on the shorebirds, and it's very, very crucial to many tiger communities. These mangrove forests are very, very indispensable to us, not only because it inhibits various fish that we fish out, as well as the biodiversity that's very important for all life on Earth. It also helps us maintain erosion in settlements. And with that said, unfortunately, human interferences such as fisheries and building on shorelines have in fact depleted this forest dramatically, especially between the years of 1990 and 2000. And though mangroves are very hardy, they also take a very long time to grow back. So unfortunately, this isn't something that we can just fix immediately. It's a very, very indispensable resource to us. Fortunately, in the last few years, there have been many laws and enforcements that have protected these areas, but we still have a very long way to go until these ecosystems are for sure better taken care of.